A woman, acting pro se, meaning she filed this thing by herself, without an attorney, just dropped a civil lawsuit in Palm Beach County, Florida, and she didn't tiptoe around the edges. She swung a sledgehammer the size of a cathedral bell and named Donald J. Trump, Elon Musk, Bill Gates, plus several institutions and unnamed associates, as participants in what she calls an Epstein-identical trafficking and exploitation venture. That is her wording, her allegation, her claim. The lawsuit exists. It is public. It is sitting in the docket of Florida's 15th Judicial Circuit, case number and everything. Because the suit is chaotic, sprawling, emotional, accusatory, messy in the way real trauma often is. And yet the reaction from America isn't shock. It's a bored yawn. Oh, another elite trafficking allegation? Put it next to the weather report. She alleges she was groomed from the late 90s, trafficked starting around 2018, and that the structure around her exploitation was identical in every material respect to Epstein's machinery. Same style, same tactics, same billionaire insulation, same culture of secrecy. She accuses these men, again, in a filed civil lawsuit, not proven in court, of overseeing a network that intertwined sexual exploitation, coercion, and even intellectual property theft, the kind of mix only seen when power gets high enough to forget it's mortal. She claims retaliation. She claims danger. She claims the type of institutional sabotage that sounds unhinged until you remember Epstein literally had a private island and a black book that made presidents sweat through their suits. The average American reads this and thinks, yeah, I could see that. That's the indictment. That's the national crime scene, not whether every detail of this lawsuit is true, because courts haven't tested a single word yet. But the fact that it is plausible to millions of people shows how completely our institutions failed to stop this kind of rot the first time. This is what happens when you leave Epstein's network half exposed, half covered, half buried in redactions and NDAs. Will this case survive? Probably not. It may get dismissed, rewritten, narrowed, reshaped, maybe even thrown out entirely. It means people no longer trust the government to investigate the powerful. It means they no longer trust the FBI to tell the truth. It means they no longer believe that the Epstein story began and ended with one conveniently dead man in a conveniently unmonitored cell. It means America is rotting from the top down. People are filing $300 million trafficking suits against billionaires by themselves because the institutions meant to protect the vulnerable turned into concierge services for the rich. This filing isn't the proof. It's the symptom, the warning flare. The country screaming through one person's legal document. The powerful have never been held accountable, and we're running out of time to change that.